Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Stream. In this tutorial, we are going to learn to install GPT for Google Sheets and Docs. First of all, let me clear one thing that it is an add-on, not a Google Chrome extension. So to install, just click on the extensions from Google Sheets or Google Docs, then click on add-ons and get add-ons. Now type GPT in the search apps and then hit enter. Here it is, the first add-on. Just click on it and click on the install button. Just hit continue and then it will access your Google account. Okay, just select whatever your Google account is. Then so here we can see different options. So before go forward, just check out these options that this will allow GPT for sheets and docs to view and manage document that this application has been installed in. So it will access some of your documents and sheets in which it will be installed, and these are the options. You can check other options and then just hit allow to continue and it will do some processing, and there you go, the add-on has been installed. The button from install has been changed to uninstall, which means the add-ons has been installed, and we can find our add-on from the extension menu from the extensions, and there you go, the add-ons has been the installed add-ons are presented here. And in the next video we will see to set API, how to set API key for your GPT add-on. We can also find our extension on the Google Doc. If you didn't find your extension, just click on the refresh button and it will refresh the page and the information regarding the page, and then the add-on will appear on your screen, and we will see how to set API key in the next video for Google Docs also. Thank you so much.